Rina is a young girl. She lives in a small village. Every day, she wakes up at 6 o'clock. She brushes her teeth and takes a bath. Then, she eats her breakfast. She usually eats roti and vegetables. After breakfast, Rina goes to school. She walks to school with her friends. Her school starts at 8 a.m. She learns English, math, science, and Gujarati. She listens to her teacher carefully. She always does her homework. At दोपहर के 1 बजे, she comes home. She eats lunch with her family. In the afternoon, she plays with her little brother. Sometimes, she helps her mother in the kitchen. She also reads storybooks. At night, Rina eats dinner. Then she talks to her father. She goes to bed at 9 p.m. She sleeps well and dreams about her future. Rina is a smart and kind girl. She loves her family and enjoys her life. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर में एस और एस वर्ब के पीछे लगता है। टॉपिक सीखने के लिए हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी अपडेट आपसे मिलती रहे। थैंक यू।